Human, Environment, Nature, and Kyungdung Company Ltd. The new place adds emotional design along with its philosophy based on human, environment, nature. The construction was completed as they worked elaborately for the interior design of every space in it, such as landscaping, arrangement of the buildings, the office building, factory, exhibition hall, and the lab. Kyungdung Company Ltd. that has been elevating its brand value even more after the move. Kyungdung has a proud career of 40 years and is a living witness for the history of piping industry. Since the move of its office and factory to a larger facility in Daegu, Songso Complex 5 in March 2013, it has been elevating its brand image even more.
This is a video about the Wortmann Fabricator, automated assembling and welding system. In this video, we demonstrate how the system works with the help of a real case scenario, starting with the beam processing line consisting of a Wortmann. The fabricator assembling and welding system starts by picking up the rotated beam from the cross transports and placing the beam into the rotators, which clamp the beam and can rotate at 270 degrees for processing on all 4 sides of the beam. When the beam is hydraulically clamped, the handling robot starts with the front and back measurement to determine the exact position of the beam. Simultaneously, the welding robots start measuring the web and flanges of the profile by touch sensing with the welding wire. The shuttle brings the end plate to the handling robot, which positions it in front of the beam so the first welding robot can start the tack welding. The shuttle moves back to collect the second plate. The plate handling system takes the plate out of the storage system and places it on the second scanner to know the exact dimensions and positions it correctly on the fabricator's material shuttle. Immediately after the first plate is tack welded, the handling robot starts positioning the second plate. The other 2 welding robots will start the final welding of the first plate. This process will repeat itself on all parts necessary to complete the assembly, after which the crane can lift the finished product to the completed zone. Since all cross transports and machines are linked together by VACAM, an intelligent production line of multiple systems is created. Multiple operations are carried out at the same time and are seamlessly connected to each other. Multi-system integration with VACAM optimizes material handling and machine functions, decreases labor costs, and increases efficiency. The integration of the Wortmann Fabricator with the Wortmann beam and plate processing machines, multi-system integration, creates a full, automatic, state-of-the-art system that is unique. Such technology maintains Wortmann as the industry innovator and leader in technology and performance.
4. The supporting business division purchases consumables or tools used by the other business divisions by proxy, and also produces and delivers products. A company specialized in producing metal processing machines and plant industry machines. Kyungdung Company Ltd.